Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and you know that this is gonna be a good docking station, which by the way, this brand sent it to me for the video, and I tried it, and you know that's gonna be a good one when two things. It has its own power supply, meaning that this thing packs power and it packs power. So owns, it's just not gonna be the USB-C Thunderbolt that's gonna be feeding power from your laptop. This one has its own power supply. And also, when it comes with something like this, that you're gonna see all the connections and all the ports and everything that you will have with this powerful docking station, you know that's gonna be a good one. We're gonna put it to work in a few minutes, in a few seconds with my two portable monitors, but know that you can actually connect up to 4 displays with this one. And not only that, 3 of those displays can go up to 4K 60 hertz resolution, and then you have a fourth one that can go up to 8K 30 hertz resolution. That is kind of like mind blowing, I have to say, because this is so tiny yet so mighty. It also comes with 100 watts, 120 watts capacity, so it can give fast charge to your laptop, as well as 18 watts for your phone, so it also can give it fast charge. Everything fitted by this super good power supply. So before we connect it to my laptop and the portable monitors, let me show all the ports in a close-up to you. So check it out. You have right here the 18 watts PD for your phone, another one right here, USB-C for your phone. You have an SD reader and a micro SD reader as well. And then you have 3 10 gigabytes data transfer USB-A ports, as well as the on and off button, and a 3.5 jack for audio purposes in case that you want to put like a headset. And then right here on the back, let me actually see if we can do it this way. You're gonna find, nope, this way, you're gonna find the host for the laptop for the USB-C on the Thunderbolt, and then you're gonna find an Ethernet port right here, as well as a USB-C 3.0 to USB-A 3.0, and then you have HDMI 1, HDMI 2, 3, and 4, so you can connect the 4 displays at one. Remember, 1 with 8K 30 hertz, and then 3 for 4K 60 hertz. So this is gonna be really easy. This one is on already, is connected. I have 2 HDMIs connected to the back of it. And of course, you have all the other ports for data transfer as well. But then this is gonna be super easy. Just connecting the USB-C Thunderbolt to my laptop. And then it's gonna take about like 10, 15, 20 seconds for the laptop to recognize there are 2 HDMI ports connected. Just like that, boom. And then the other one, boom, right here. So super easy. And then you can probably tell that this one is going just a little bit up than the other one, like a little bit better colors than the other one, and like brighter colors, because that one is connected to the 8K. So that is not an 8K. Of course, it's not going to be an 8K resolution monitor, portable monitor, but this one, they're both 2K, and this one has brighter colors because just connected to the other port. This is how it needs to be for the home office experience, productivity, gaming as well. If you want in 60 hertz, you can do it. And of course, you can rearrange everything just to have one on the right, one on the left, 2 on the right, 1 up, 1 down, whatever you want to do. And also connect like flash drives for data transfer, as well as the SD cards, and of course more data transfer and more dongles for like a wireless keyboard or like a wireless mouse. And you're not gonna get any power drawn from your laptop because this one has its own power supply. This is just fantastic, super powerful, easy to connect, and of course with tons of features for your either home office, productivity, or gaming experience. I like this one. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.